Are you looking for the best laser levels in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best laser levels that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5, HYCHIKA Better Tools for Better Life Laser Level. If you don't need a laser level often, then you might not want to spend a lot of money to purchase one. Luckily, the HYCHIKA 50-foot laser level provides satisfactory accuracy, although it is a little more challenging to use than some of the higher-priced options. While testing, we noted that the instructions were not very clear, especially for the self-leveling function of the laser, but that once we understood the process, the laser performed well. It projects a red horizontal or vertical line, or crossed lines, up to 50 feet with good accuracy. Like other red-beamed laser levels, it is difficult to see the laser outdoors or in dim light. This is a simple laser level in terms of controls, with one button for on-off and mode selection, and one button to lock or unlock the laser. The tool performed well in the drop test, but did require 90 seconds to reset itself afterward. The laser comes with 2-hour batteries and a magnetic mounting bracket, but does not include a tripod. It can be mounted on a 1/4-inch thread tripod pole, however. While this isn't the right choice if you need a laser level for projects requiring the highest levels of accuracy, it is more than sufficient for simple tasks such as hanging shelves or pictures. At number 4, BOSCH GLL 30 feet self-leveling cross-line laser. Around the same size as a tape measure, the BOSCH GLL 30 won't take up much room in your toolbox, but is more than handy for use around the house when you need to be sure your lines are straight. This level projects a red cross-lined laser beam up to 30 feet with great accuracy. The laser line is easy to see up close or from a distance. The tool is very easy to use, doing most of the work itself when it comes to leveling and adjusting, a feature we appreciated very much. It comes with a clamp that fastens to any surface that's 1/2 inch to 2 1/4 inch thick, and it also has a micro-fine adjustment knob for even more precise angling. The tool easily survived our drop test, functioning without problems even after being dropped twice. This laser level operates on 2-hour batteries, which are included. It does not come with a tripod, but you can mount it on one if desired, as long as the threads are 1/4 inch. This is a great choice if you don't need a laser level for challenging projects, but just want to have one on hand for those occasions when you want to hang a mirror accurately or do other similar tasks. At number 3, Huepar 3D Cross-Line Self-Leveling Laser Level. The Huepar B03 CG Pro can be recharged from an included USB cable, unlike most laser levels that run from disposable batteries that need to be replaced. This is a professional laser level with numerous beam options, all green for superior visibility even outdoors. One 360-degree horizontal and two 360-degree vertical beams can be mixed and matched to suit your needs. That means you can project a beam around the floors, walls, or ceilings of a room easily, which is very useful when carrying out complex tasks such as installing cabinets or framing. While appreciating the accuracy of the tool and its effective self-leveling abilities, we did note that the instruction guide was not easy to follow. However, the tool's beam range is up to 85 feet with a stated accuracy of ±1/9 inch, but our tests found it to be more accurate than that. And even after being dropped 3 times, the device was still accurate and undamaged. Still, this may be a tool more suited to a professional or experienced DIYer and overkill for the average person who just wants to use a laser level to hang pictures or draperies. The device includes a carrying case, a rechargeable battery with a charging cord and base, and a magnetic pivoting base. It does not include a tripod, but it can be mounted on one that has 1/4 inch threads. At number 2, CIGMAN Laser Level. If you're taking on a major DIY home remodeling project or need a laser level for professional use, then the CIGMAN 3 and 2 360-degree 3D green cross-line laser level is worth the expense. This pro tool beams a green laser line that can be seen up to 100 feet as long as it's not being used in the brightest sunlight. Indoors, we had no problem in seeing the crisp, green lines across the length of the testing room. The tool has 3 lasers, which can be used individually or in various combinations. one 360-degree horizontal line and two 360-degree vertical lines. That lets you create grids for complicated installations of cabinets or other large items. This laser level comes with a remote control that lets you adjust the brightness of each laser from a distance, a handy feature if you are working in a large space. The tool self-levels within plus or minus 4 degrees, or you can lock it to use it without the self-leveling feature. Its accuracy is plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet, and even our drop test didn't affect its performance. The batteries recharge with an included USB cord, and the tool also includes a mini tripod, a magnetic clamping base, and a carrying bag. At number 1. SKIL 50 feet. Red self-leveling cross-line laser level. Despite the low-budget price, this SKIL laser doesn't compromise on functionality. Its vertical and horizontal beams are self-leveling up to 4 degrees, which we tested several times on different surfaces. Unlike similar lower-budget levels that rely on replaceable batteries, this model uses an internal rechargeable battery. It's also surprisingly compact, and the cube-like shape is comfortable to hold, adjust, and mount to its clamp base. This clamp features a nice, large mouth, and since the level itself has threads on both top and bottom, you can mount it in plenty of places. The clamp also features a rubber covering on the inside, which adds to its grip, and also makes it more suitable to use on delicate surfaces that would otherwise get scratched or marred. Plus, the rubberized frame of the laser level provides a solid grip while setting it up. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.